Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Naveen and I am back with more interesting pharma news today. So don't wait and let us get into today's pharma news. Friends, today I came up with new one, that is do you know? So don't wait and let us get into that. Friends, coming to the first one, IIT Kharagpur has developed a rapid test to detect COVID-19. Friends, the features of this test are it shows promising results within a short time, that is it gives test results in 60 minutes, and the results can be directly sent to the person via mobile application. And friends, the cost of this test is very low, that it can give single test at 400 rupees, and the test is portable and anyone can perform this test with a little technical knowledge, and it can test via both oral and nasopharyngeal swabs. Friends, you can have a look at the testing machine. Here is the testing machine. You can see that in the picture. Friends, this test works on the principle of microfluidics, and it is an alternative to reverse transcriptase polymerase chain reaction, where it takes a lot of time to analyze the sample, and this machine or the testing kit uses a paper cartridge and it is replaceable. It performs a simple chemical analysis and gives the results within a few hours. Friends, coming to the next news, American National Institute of Health and Moderna company have developed a COVID-19 vaccine. Friends, firstly they have tested the vaccine on 45 volunteers and got positive results, and they have got ready to perform the test on larger population, that is 30,000 volunteers soon. The vaccine gives promising results in larger population. We can expect the vaccine soon, that is the vaccine will be soon available to the world, and they have tested this vaccine on 16 monkeys and it gave positive results. They have given 2 injections of vaccine which protected the monkeys against heavy exposure to virus, and all the monkeys which were given higher doses of vaccine has not shown viral replication in their noses even after 2 days. Friends, this Moderna vaccine protects both upper and lower airways. Friends, getting into the webinar section of today's Pharma news. Friends, coming to the first webinar from Prin KM Kundani College of Pharmacy. Friends, the Department of Pharmaceutics Prin KM Kundani College of Pharmacy is organizing a webinar on novel concepts of bioavailability enhancement using lipid excipients and polymer-based novel carriers for ocular drug delivery. Friends, this webinar is going to be held on 7th August 2020, and the timings of this webinar are from 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. Friends, getting into details of the speaker that are Agnivesh Vastava, Regional Technical Manager, Gate FOC. And the next speaker that are Kavita Singh, who is Assistant Professor, SKVMS and MIMS. Friends, getting into registration details, I have already provided the registration link in the description of this video. You can directly go to the video's description and click on the link and you can register from there. Friends, if you have any queries, they have mentioned some contact details. You can contact them if you encounter any problems. You can take a screenshot of them. I will leave this slide for few seconds so that you can take a screenshot and contact them. Friends, coming to the next news, an online national workshop on preclinical and molecular methods in neuroscience. Friends, this workshop is going to held from 13th to 14th August 2020. And getting into objectives of this workshop to share new trends in the area of stroke and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's disease, new insights into the gut microbiome in CNS research. This workshop is organized by NIPER Hyderabad, and the key takeaways of this workshop is overview of breakthrough discoveries in immune metabolism and immune cell research using Seahorse XF, and revealing the innovations of CRISPR Cas9 technology in neuroscience, and latest update on brain disorders and gut microbiome. And friends, who can attend this? Graduates and postgraduate students, research scholars and industry delegates, faculty. Friends, I have already provided the registration link in the description of this video. You can register for this workshop from the link that I have provided in the description. And friends, one more thing, that the registration is not free, and you can contact the number given in the brochure for paying the registration fee, because at the time of registration it is showing different amounts. You should choose one and ask which one you should choose as a student by contacting the number given in the brochure. Friends, coming to the next news, this is a webinar on psychological resilience, an important aspect of human life by SIRTP, SAGAR Group of Institutions, and SAGAR Institute of Research and Technology, Pharmacy. Friends, and the speaker for this webinar, Mrs. Ankita Kishore, Assistant Professor, Anand College of Pharmacy, Agra, UP. And friends, it is going to be held on 30th July 2020, and the timings of this webinar are from 11 a.m. in the morning. And friends, this webinar is going to be held via Zoom meeting, and the meeting ID and password are mentioned on the brochure. And friends, the registration link is already provided in the description. You can register and participate in this webinar. Friends, coming to the next news, Bharat Technology, a unit of Anjali Health Education and Charitable Trust in association with Society of Pharmaceutical Science and Research, is organizing a national webinar on an approach to drug design and overview on COVID-19. Friends, this webinar is going to be held on 2nd August 2020, and this webinar is going to be held via two platforms, that is Zoom meeting and YouTube live. You can watch via any one of them after registration. Friends, I have already provided the registration link in the description of the video. You can go to the description of the video and register yourself. And if you have any queries, you can contact the number given in the brochure, or you can directly mail. And friends, the topic of this webinar, first one by Professor Jagannath Sahu, Principal, Kite School of Pharmacy, and the topic is how to spend time effectively during COVID-19 from 10 am to 11 am. And the next speaker, Professor Dr. Swastika Ganguly, Professor, Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences and Technology, BIT, Ranchi, India, and the topic is 3D QSR and overview from 11 am to 12 pm. So friends, to participate, the registration link is already in the description of the video. Friends, this is the news available for today. Please share this news with your friends and college groups so that more people can know this news every day. And make sure that you subscribe to our channel for the latest updates every day.